guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Review rating is 9.0. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlights, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. To discuss the amenities of this hotel, as you can see on the screen. In this hotel, this type of room is available on the hotel. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is attractive. Details into the picture, beautiful surroundings, check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this property, please below the link in description. If you have checked out from this hotel, you can send your experiences via comment. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again with a new video with a new hotel.